All right, Pat's Garage Online, or I Ate Pat, whatever you want to follow. We're here with Randy from Savage Garage.
Pat, you got to get a little more enthusiastic. Hi, this is Pat's Garage Online. You got to check this shit out. We are the bomb. Something like that. Try it again. He's done. And cut.
All right, here we're here with Savage Garage. We're going to hear this Lambo starting up here momentarily.
Go in and I'll get you put it in open mode first. All right.
This is a lot louder in person.
Very nice. Here, shut up.
We're Corridor Cars and Coffee here. What a cool event down in Laurel, Maryland. Plenty of cars. Savage Garage showing up, which was really cool. Just a small event today. I guess the weather is getting a little chillier, but this is a place to be. I'd definitely come back here.
Patrick, it sounds exactly the same.
Oh, really? It must be that speaker in the back.
Yeah.
I think you should go first.
Alright, you ready?
I'm a modest man, but
I think you guys tied.
I think my fuel.
I was behind both of them. I think the Eclipse got it just a little bit.
I think my fuel pump's
Because of the-
I need a louder speaker. I gotta buy the max exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta buy a max exhaust.
You
Just
gotta
a bigger speed bump. You should build
oh, is that-
Oh no, never mind. He's building it.
You're gonna do what I think you're gonna do? Yeah.
Wow, what an amazing day I had at Corridor Cars and Coffee. Link in the description below to their Instagram account. Hey, it was extra special also running into Randy from Savage Garage, and a special thanks to him for giving me some content for my channel. Whew, what a terrific day. And by the way, I'm changing the channel name from i8_Pat to Pat's Garage Online. That way, if I ever get rid of the i8, I could continue to provide quality content here on YouTube and on Facebook as well. Check out patsgarageonline.com and Pat's Garage Online both on Facebook and eventually on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like the content, and we'll see you next time.